All right, we're going to be talking about volume of cones. And of course, this is a cone, and this is a cylinder. And if you recall from the last video, you know that to find the volume of cylinder, it's V equals BH, where B is the area of the base, and the base is the circle, so you're going to do pi r squared. Well, the cone is similar, except you're going to multiply by 1/3. So it's V equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. Remember, B is pi r squared. So they're the same, except cone is 1/3, meaning that 3 cones, so 3 of these, is going to equal my cylinder. So if you filled up the cone with water 3 times and poured it into the cylinder, it would fill it up all the way. So if I divided this 120, the volume of the cylinder, if I divided that, it's going to equal 40, which is my cone. So that's the relationship between it. The cone will fill up the cylinder 3 times. So let's see, a cone, let's just go over real quick. It's going to be, looks like an ice cream. All right, and I always like to highlight the base. This is my base all the time. For a cone, it's always going to be the circle. So big B, remember, big B is always area of the base. And again, the base is a circle. So find the area of a circle is pi r squared. The height will never be the slant, it will be the right angle. And this is my height. And so this is going to be B, and you're just going to be plugging them in the same. And I messed this up again for some reason, sorry. 1/3 base H, sorry. Erase that. Don't tell Miss Weaver I messed up, but that is the formula. So let's look at an example using this formula. So if we write it all out, it's going to be V equals 1/3 pi r squared times the height. That in itself is this right here. We're just plugging in area of the base. I really wish they would give you this part on the STAAR test, because why make it more difficult? All right, so let's look at an example. Here's our cone. Remember, base times height, area of the base times height. And in this case, it's a circle, so it is big B equals pi r squared, where r is the radius. If we remember, we've been working with that. And so 12 is our h, and r is 5. So all we're doing is going to be plugging it in now. So volume, dang it, I did it again. Oh my goodness. 1/3 base times height. Don't tell Miss Weaver. So 1/3 pi, radius is 5, squared, times a height, which is 12. And we got to put that all in our calculator. So pi, let me put in my calculator real quick. It's going to be 314. All you got to do is plug it in exactly how you see it into your calculator. All right, I'm going to get the formula right this time. 1/3 area of the base times the height. And remember, base is pi r squared. All right, they gave us the diameter this time, so our radius, if we divide this by 2, it's going to be 11. 10 is our height, so we're going to do 1/3 area of the base, so pi r, which is 11, squared, and then times the height, which is 10. All right, I'm going to put in my calculator. I get 1,000.7. That is our volume. All right, so one more time. Our formula is 1/3 area of the base, big B, times the height. This is our formula for a cone. All right, thanks.